those wires. Second battery. Oh. So, today we are unboxing the 2025 G2. We have it right here. We have improved braking and looks. Yeah. Come on. Ooh, we've got a bag in here. Alien keys and a lot of screws. And the manual. This is a 54 volts 2 amps charger. We've got a fender right here. Now we just have to take it out. Ooh. Oh yeah. This is new. This is kinda new. We've got a different rear light. Damn. 2025 G2 comes with 160mm size disc brake. That's gonna improve your brakes. Let's turn it on. Okay. We are in sport mode right now. Yo, it actually got some power. We've got the blinkers right here. Throttle. Yo, really responsive throttle. Zero delay. I have to charge this bad boy. Yo, it actually works. I don't hear any brr. Finally. Let's see what Mr. Claw thinks about it. Let's go. That's a lot of Let's go. This is a good moment to see if the G2 is waterproof. I'm washing the G2 at the car wash. Oh yeah. Clean as new, babe. Now we are talking. It's brand new right now. Come on, top speed test. 42, 43, 44. Oh my god, 45, 46, 47. We are fully charged right now. 50 kilometers an hour, no way. Yo, actually, the 2025 version is faster. Woo! WG2, dude. Also, the brakes. Wow. This one is perfect. Come on, let's go full speed downhill. 51, 52. 54. I just got all the required tools in order to fix Klau's G4 permanently. I'm here with the G2 inside the store. So yeah, let's fix it. Let's go. Here we have Mr. Clau, dude. Oh my god. Look at that paint job. Dude, that looks sick. Damn. Also, this thing looks insane. Here we have the G2 2025. This thing has 160mm disc brake. Let's get the suspension out. Oh my god. Here we have the completely destroyed spring. And here we have the other one. I have to use this tool in order to cut it, because this part is too wide. Is it just me or this G4 is completely bended? Easy. Dude, it's still too wide. They're adorable. Dude, how is it still too wide? It fits. Whoa. Zero suspension. Finally, dude. He's got a proper suspension in place. Oh yeah. Go on. The weather today kinda sucks. It's about to rain and it's cloudy and it's also kinda cold. Something that you're instantly going to notice on the 2025 G2 are the brakes, dude. They are so snappy. Imagine making this G2 dual moto. I mean, you can simply buy the G2 Master. That's a better choice. We are going 46 kilometers an hour. Ooh, I can also lean. Dude, all the pink in there. Wow. W paint job. Oh my god, he's doing it so well. I don't understand this, dude. How can he do it so smooth? He's just normally riding it. The G4 fits him like a glove. La polizia, no. Dude, the cops are right next to us. When I see a green light, I want to be able to accelerate fast. I don't know how are the rules in your country, but right here, if you don't accelerate fast, cars are just gonna be rude and honk at you and be like, go faster, you piece of... Once you get to 35, 40 kilometers an hour, everything is fine. You are cruising. Woo! Ooh, looks like we've got some action going on. We've got another G2 2025 and the G2 Pro. What's up? Oh my god, dude. That is such a beautiful paint job, dude. That suspension is legit right there. Together with the one in the back. He even painted his handlebars white. He nailed it. We have to meet Mr. Clau because his throttle got destroyed. We're gonna meet at a local service. I can see Klau's G4, but... Oh, there he is. What you doing? Okay, so we found him a new acceleration. We just need to do the wiring. Boys are cooking here every day. We've got this thing off. Now we just have to take the throttle. Here we have the throttle. I just need to take those wires and put those in here. Done, I guess. Now let's try it out. Whoop. Oh, it works! Oh my god. Put your brake in place. It looks so damn good now. Everything back together. And he's good to go. Klau's G4 is ready to rock, dude. He's going uphill on one wheel and I can barely go uphill on two. He's also riding in sleepers, dude. This is the perfect day for a ride out. It's not warm, it's not cold. It is just perfect. Looks like I already wasted 20% of this battery. Nah. Oh my god, dude. What's up? What? This guy just got Shimano brakes on his Sarah. I don't understand anything right now. Come on, come on, come on. We've got 2 G2 Maxes, 2 G4s. Whoa. Okay. Oh. We're laughing, dude. The G2 is not that fun in a ride out for me because I weigh 100 kilos. But for you, I think it's perfect because you might weigh 60, 70 kilos. So you're gonna feel way more force on it. I am going full throttle right now and we are going 45 kilometers an hour. Green light, green light, green light, go! No! Whoa! Oh my god! He got his sleeper down. He's not struggling at all. He's an absolute legend, dude. Oh, I'm impressed, not gonna lie. Dude, where are they taking me on this off-road? Oh my god, dude. Green light, green light, green light. We were recording this thumbnail. He just dropped the freaking G2 in this hole. Oh my god. Well, looks like I'm low on battery. Here I have the second battery. Let's put it in place. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Ooh, this is a different kind of battery. Oh my god, just look at the difference, dude. By the way, water did not get in, dude. It is squeaky clean, perfectly dry inside. Is this gonna work though? Oh, it is way better actually. It is in a cage. Water cannot get in. 48 volts, 15.6 amp. I'ma disconnect it. Let's put a new one. Okay, it fits, it fits. Bam! Oh my god. Let's turn it on now. Come on, come on, come on. Please work, please work. Please. Oh, it works! We've got full battery! Let's go! This design is so damn cool actually. It's like the battery is inside the cage or something. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go! Now I have full battery, dude. To be honest with you, I'm impressed. The old battery works on the 2025 model. He just broke. Where are they waiting at the McDonald's line? Are they gonna get any food though? We've got so many scooters in here. We've got a G4, another G4, G2, G2 Max, another G2 Pro, a Siren. He just wanted to take a picture with me. He dropped the entire soda on the floor. I'm sorry, dude. Well, that was such a cool day, dude. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned.